Here we go. This is the latest project for the Handyman. This is a bathroom remodel. This is a lath and plaster house. It's a moldy old caulking. This is a closet area inside the bathroom, and you can see that we have these peel and stick vinyl things here over the top of the hardwood flooring. Hardwood is not a really good thing to put in your bathroom. So all this hardwood has to come out. May 25th, 1942, plumber. That looks perfect. Once you get that one, you're pretty size Over here, this time, in that thing, see, what's interesting is that there's all this caulking. That's really, wow, that is, yeah. What is that? No, actual caulking that is. That's pretty strange stuff there. There it goes. That's right there. Well, it's time to install the toilet. Did anybody win the contest on guessing the price of this bathroom remodel? So if this is your first time watching my channel, there are individual parts to this bathroom remodel that are pretty detailed. They go through all the steps from the beginning to the end. I filmed this project last spring, beginning of summer, and I've got a whole bunch of projects already filmed and ready to edit. I've done a complete bathroom since this one you just watched. I'm getting ready to start a kitchen in about a week. So we've got a lot of big projects and I've got a lot of small projects. I'm going to sprinkle the small projects in between the big projects just to give the channel some variety. If you want to stay up to date on what my current projects are, you can follow me on Instagram. Should have it right in this area someplace. Follow me. And I put videos up, short videos, and pictures of what I'm working on, if it's interesting. There's a lot of stuff that I do that doesn't make it to social media. Please give the video a like. Share this video with anybody who's thinking of remodeling their bathroom or hiring out the work to a contractor to do the work for them.